Charizard. How do I open this? Yeah?
Yeah. When you want it, right? Put one card.
Yeah. Where's the scissors? I knew I should have put my Pokemon ball here.
You should have.
I'm now going to open this. Oh, 2, 4, 5. I'm wasting money today. I'm finished faster. I don't think I need this. No, there's enough cards. Oh, I saw Hollow. What Pokemon? That Pokemon's old. This Pokemon. Oh!
What's that?
Hollow.
It's hollow.
That means it's real. Dad, I put this here. Ultra Ball. This Charizard is better than my dad's. Pretty good. I think that's Hollow. This is Hollow. What? Pikachu sucks. There's always some reason we getting there. Thank you. Good. Get out of here, Code. Do this. I could really see the colors. I started with the cards in this Salamander. Maybe that. With that. Ooh! Hollow! Ooh! These two cards are good. Why is there a bug here? Okay, what is this? Oh, I saw something. I saw something shiny. Oh, getting close. This is a hollow or something? Where's a hollow? I saw a hollow. Where is it? It's Sandy. How do I open this? That's not the best.